Totalkare has installed a 15-meter vehicle inspection pit at Stagecoach South East Dover workshop, enhancing the company's ability to maintain and repair its fleet of buses. The new inspection includes robust 1,250mm wide walls made from thick welded steel, ensuring durability and long-term use. LED lighting has been installed to enhance visibility for engineers working in the pit. For handling heavy-duty tasks, the pit is equipped with a 20,000 kilograms air-operated twin ramjack, capable of lifting large vehicles with ease. Additionally, an environmentally friendly waste oil drainer has been incorporated, aligning with Stagecoach's commitment to sustainability and responsible waste management. The vehicle pit is CE certified, demonstrating compliance with stringent safety and quality regulations. This installation complements the existing 4 pits at the site, further enhancing Stagecoach's maintenance capabilities.